Alright, I'm a little bit sick and tired of getting the same messages over and over again, and I actually kind of feel bad because it's made me a lot worse at messaging people back. And so, I'm gonna make this video again. I made it a couple of times, but I'm gonna do this again, and hopefully this will help ease it out a little bit. So, if you need the contracts for real estate wholesaling, make sure you watch this video. I'll give you the full detailed explanation on how to get them. I'll give them to you. I'll tell you how to get them, and if it's not working, I'll tell you how to make sure that you get them. And I made this video like, I want to say almost like a little bit over a year ago, and I told people where to get the contracts. I was awkward as hell in the video. For some reason, the video's doing better than any other video that I've ever uploaded. It's at like 20,000 views or something like that. And I get a lot of people still watching this video. I think it gets like 100 views a day or something like that, which isn't that many, but over time, it's consistently got that many views. And I get a lot of people messaging me on Instagram asking me for the contracts. And it's kind of my fault. I made this mistake, and I probably should take down the video just because I have a new way of doing it, but the video's doing so well, I've left it up. But I told people inside the video that I would give them the contracts if they send me a message on Instagram. And I didn't realize like how big of a mistake that would be, because then I get a lot of people asking me for the contracts. I didn't think that video would do all that good, and little did I know it would get as many views as it does every single day. And I get a lot of messages from it. So if you want the contracts, I'll help you out. Like if this, like I'll give you every single step, and then if it doesn't work, then drop it down in the comments. Please don't send me a message on this, and we'll get it fixed as a whole and make sure that it works for you. So what are you gonna do? And the funny thing is, actually, I give you the accessibility of these contracts in every single one of my videos. I just don't say it in every single video, but it's always in the description down below. So if you need the videos, or if you need the contracts, go to any video on my channel. Like 95% of the 350 something videos on this channel, there will be a link in the description for the contracts. If they're not there, like, well, they'll be in this one at the end of the day. Like, so if you need the contracts, go down in the description, click the link. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put in your email. Then you're gonna get sent over to a special offer that I have for people that sign up for a mastermind group. But what you need to do is go check out your email. Inside of your email, you'll get sent like a link or something like that. And it's gonna contain a zip file of all of the video, or all of the contracts. And the reason why I didn't just put in all the files is because I give you like 3 or 4 different contracts, I can't remember. But I give you an assignment contract, purchase agreement, and a JV contract, I think, inside of there. But what you're gonna do is click the link on your desktop. It does not work on mobile. For some reason, opening up the zip file doesn't work on mobile for a lot of people, so open it up on some sort of computer. So if you have a friend's computer, if you really don't have a computer or something like that, just find someone's computer and open it on there, and it should open up. And then what you're gonna do is it should download all the files. It should open a zip file, and then you're gonna have to uncompress the folder. If you don't know how to do that, I'm not gonna explain how to unzip a folder inside of here. Just pull it up on YouTube and look up how to do it. So if, like, I know I've been getting a few people saying, hey, it doesn't work. Basically, like I've said this in a couple videos as well, just make sure you open it on a computer. And even in the email, I think it says open it up on a computer. So I want you to, if you need the contracts, go and do that. And I probably wouldn't have made this video because I think people should be a little bit more resourceful, because I literally give everything out. And in the video where I mentioned that, where I said, hey, shoot me a DM, I even posted in the description and the comments, hey, it's in the description, please don't DM me about the contracts, because I probably won't get back to you if you ask me for it. So I mean, it's all kind of my own mistake, but people are a little bit unresourceful sometimes. And I'm just trying to help you guys out. I mean, I really don't have to give these contracts out. I mean, I could sell them or only sell them inside of my course, but I'm trying to help you guys out because I know contracts was one of those hard parts to get going in the business as well. If you're still watching this video, here's a little bonus tip. If you want to know how to fill out the contracts, I made a full-on playlist discussing how to get them filled out. So It's gonna break down exactly how to fill out the contracts, each one of them, the purchase agreement, the assignment contract, and the JV contract. And there's even a video inside of the playlist describing when do you use each one of these contracts. And I've actually had this video out for a while. So if you need the contracts, go check out that playlist. I'll actually put it down in the description down below, and it may show up on the end screen if I can get that figured out at the end of this video. But that is how to get the contracts. So here's one more thing for those of you guys watching. I've been making, like, as you know, I've been doing daily uploads. I don't know if I'll always be doing this. I'm doing it at least, I think, until May 12th. So we got like a little bit less than a month, at least, until I stop doing daily uploads. I'll probably do uploads like 2 to 3 times a week. I don't know yet. I'll kind of figure it out. I'm gonna do more like high quality videos that can really help you guys out instead of just doing a lot of these recording, like kind of vlog style videos. So anyways, in the next 30 days or so, if there's any videos you want me to make specifically, please drop them down in the comments below and I'll read a comment. I don't know if I'll reply, but I'll see your comment and I might make that video. I need a couple more video topics. I made just about everything on this channel, so I might start switching up over to a little bit more of like viral content, so that way I can get a little bit more exposure on this channel and help more people out. But if there's any tips or tricks that you guys want with the wholesaling, let me know, and I'll probably get it out within the next 30 days or so. So I'll answer any questions that you guys have. You can literally ask me anything. I'll let you know if I can answer it. I don't know everything about real estate, but I do know just about everything when it comes to real estate wholesaling, and I can try to help you guys out. So anyways, do me a favor, have a conversation down in the comments down below. I'll check it out, might make a video on it, but that's what I got for you guys. So if you need the contracts, go down in the description down below, and that's what I got for you guys. So anyways, like always, I'm uploading every single day on this channel, so I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.